Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be sharing with you a recipe of watermelon juice. So let's see what ingredients we need. We need watermelon, half teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and we need ice cubes. Add watermelon, salt and lemon juice into a blender. Now blend it well. Now add ice cubes and blend well. Now dip the glass into lemon juice and then cover it with sugar. As you can see, watermelon juice is ready. Try it at home, it's really easy to make and then enjoy your refreshing drink. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.